So for all my anime heads out there, right? Obviously, Sailor Moon pops right on up, right? Like you see in Sailor Moon. Let me try to bring her over here, right? So turn my TikTok. TikTokers can see. Oh wait, I don't want to do that. Hang on. I'm trying to put her on the screen for TikTok, but you know, let's see. Okay, be less me, more her, right? Which I'm sure for some of you weirdos is going to be really, really good. Who wouldn't want to see me? So this is a representation in creator Naiko Takeuchi's right work. This originates out of Japan. This character's first debut in manga back in 1991. Its anime debut was in 1992, right? So just a year later. Now her primary source is the silver crystal and the Sailor Crystal as well, right? So her power classification, she is purification, she's healing, she's resurrection, protection, transformation, and cosmic restoration. Now, the guy who created this Japanese manga writer, Naiko, an artist who created this character, this was in study with celestial bodies, right? Their interest came in the components of this universe. This comes from a chemist background. So they idealize that planets carry spiritual identities. And that's what they kind of reckon with here. She's kind of a magic-y, kind of transformation girl. They combine all these things. Planetary mythology, romantic fantasy, reincarnation, all these things kind of go into adapting into this one character. So, I mean, this kind of gives this character a lot of depth. As a character, they start off with this ordinary 14-year-old schoolgirl just living in Tokyo, right? Like, of course, right? She's very emotional, playful, like, you know, just kind of an average girl. Then she encounters this talking black cat named Luna. Now, I mean, like, you know, already, you know what I'm saying? Already, right off the bat, like, yeah, okay. If you run into a black cat and you start talking to it, whatever happens after that, man, you chose everything, right? So she apparently has this latent power. Luna gives her this magical broke that allows her to transform into Sailor Moon. And with that, you know, she believes her mission now becomes to defeat all supernatural enemies, protect innocent people. I love that. Locate the other Sailor Guardians and find the mysterious Moon Princess. This is what her role is. Now, she's also the reincarnation of Princess Serenity. Like, Usagi is the reincarnation of Princess Serenity. And the story gets pretty complex. They get pretty deep into the characters. They have some real nice associations as far as like using silver and kind of keeping the story really tied to a lot of, like I said, it's a lot of like purification mythologies that go back. Like we see it kind of reflected in their culture. Now, her power is, you know, like I said, she's purification. She can, you know, cure the possessed, wash away corruption, cure brainwash, drain, transform into monsters, separate people from the true beings. She can do all these things. In healing, she can injure bodies, stolen life energy, corrupted hearts, damaged memories, right? That's all power. Planetary environments. So she has the ability to restore life, all through these crystals that she has here. So this is where this character is. Like, it seems like cosmic awareness is right where this character sits. Spiritual energy, this is her homeland here. All these things, again, that kind of represent the lunar powers, right, that we've been showing in all these different deities. She is the embodiment. Again, like I said, this is like the sacred feminine energy. I'm typically used to saying associated with the moon. I don't want to be all sexist or misogynistic, but, you know, again, I'm just kind of used to that. And she possesses this kind of serenity about her. So another good representation, like in, you know, in modern times. The next one is